welcome to my channel. This is the first time I'm making soaps. I'm using Shea butter, melt and pour soap base. This is going to be a small batch, 2 pounds. And I have a double boiler here. I have my molds. I have my dropper. I have my lavender scent. I have my soap dye. It also is supposed to smell like lavender, but we'll see how that works. And then we have my measuring cup, as you can see over here, my soap knife, and my, for soap making, Art Mine's lavender here. I'm going to put it in the soap. And let's go ahead and try to make some soap. Okay, so first things first, we're going to open this up. Chop it up with the knife. There's the knife. This is a smooth edge knife. I'm gonna cut it up. So now I have my soap base with the shea butter in here. I cubed it. And I have my water. This is called the double boiler. And cutting the soap base. And I cut them in cubes with the straight flat edge knife. And I am going to put these two together. They're a double boiler. I put 3 cups of water into the bottom one, and we're going to cover it and put it on the stove. So on the stove, and we'll put it on low heat. Low heat. And let's put that there. And I'll come back. Okay guys, so it looks basically fully melted now. And it looks like milk, which is pretty cool. It's pretty creamy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut off the gas. And I am going to pour it in a bowl. Okay, so the bowl is right here. I'm just gonna pour it into the bowl like so. That looks like milk. So cool, so cool. Okay, so we have the bowl of soap, which actually smells really good. It actually smells like some soap. But we're gonna add to this soap, we're gonna put the essential lavender oil in there. We're gonna put the lavender dye in there. Next time I'm gonna try the mica, but right now I'm trying this because this is the only thing I have. And we're gonna put some lavender in there, and then we're gonna put it in the mold. So let's go ahead and do it. So we're gonna take the essential oil, and we're gonna put 5 milliliters. 5, smells good too. So I have here 2 milliliter dropper. So we're gonna put it all the way up. Okay, so all the way up, and I'm gonna put it in 1. So that's 2 actually. So 2, 4, and 1 more, because that's gonna be 5. Oh, that smells good. Okay, so We have that. Now I'm gonna take the color. Actually, I'm gonna take a spatula first and mix in the lavender. I'm gonna put a few sprinkles of lavender. Just a few. That's one. This is two. And maybe another pinch. So it looks like this so far. Okay, now we're gonna put the color in, the lavender color. I wanna try to make it like a pretty lilac color, but let's see how this is gonna work. 2 drops, 3 drops, 4 drops, and we're just gonna mix it. Let's see, mixing, mixing, mixing. Hopefully it makes a color. I'm praying it makes a pretty color. Let's see, we're mixing. It's still a little bit light, so we're gonna put a little bit more drops. So I put 4 already. Let's put 5, 6, 7. That's 7 drops, so let's see that, how that goes. Looks kind of pretty with the lavender in there. Let's see, still a little light. It's my first time again, so we're all trying to see how it's gonna work out. We're gonna put a little bit more drops. I think the mica powder would be better. I guess put as much as you want to get the color you want, right? Yeah, see, now it's getting more purple. And I think I want to do a little bit darker, so let's try it. Let's try getting it a little bit darker this way, but if it doesn't get darker this way, we could always put more. Darker, 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 darker. I'm just gonna put a whole bunch so it'll get darker. Look how cool it is. Ooh, so cool. So cool and swirly. You can make designs too, which is really cool. Okay. Maybe I'll put some swirl in it once it's in the mold. Okay, so I think this is good for now. And now I'm gonna put it in the mold. For this, I chose a mold with like a rocky texture. And we're gonna put it in the silicone middle base, like that. And then we're gonna put the silicone into the actual hard mold. And I'm gonna put the link below where I bought this, so you can check that out. And it has a lid too to cover if you wanna cover it, but I don't think I'm gonna cover it. So let's pour in the soap. Okay, so we're gonna put in the soap. Let me make sure actually if it's tight in here, the mold and everything, so we don't have a problem with it leaking. Let's just pour it in. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. Okay, put this in like this. I'm trying to get any leftover lavender in here. If I can. Be very careful too when you pour this because it's still very hot, so you don't want to get burnt. And now I'm going to maybe try to swirl it. I'll let you see what it looks like. So it looks like the lavender is spreading to the corners, so that might be a little problem. I'm going to try to move them in like this. Maybe it'll stay like that. Hopefully, right? Maybe I should put the lavender in once it's in the mold and it'll stay like that. Okay, so I'm going to try to swirl the top a little bit. Put 1 drop here, One drop here. One drop here. Okay. I'm going to just swirl it with a dropper. Swirl, 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 swirl in. I love to swirl. So we'll have like a little marble kind of look to it. And that should be good. Just a little bit. I'll leave it like that. See if that works. All right, guys. We're gonna make it dry up, and we'll come back. Here's what it looks like. It has some bubbles on the sides and in the middle, which was a mistake from me. I could have sprayed it with alcohol and the bubbles wouldn't have been there. But let's take a look at the rest of it. So I'm just gonna pop it out. It has these holes on the bottom of the mold, so it's easily popped out, that piece. And we're good. Back in. This is the bottom where the lavender is. See the top. You gotta peel this off. Oh, we got like a little design. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Okay, pretty cool. Looks like a little flower here. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut it with my edged knife. Okay. I'm gonna just keep pushing and see how that goes. And that's the bar of soap. I'm gonna try a straight edge. So that's your ridgy one. Let's try the straight edge. Okay, so now we cut it. I'm just gonna smooth the edges. Smooth the edges. Next time, I'm gonna have to use the next time I'm gonna have to use the alcohol and spray it so that it won't be so bubbly. Just smooth the edges like this so it could look a little neater. See, pretty cool. Pretty cool. There you have it. We have our little bars of soap. Not bad for our first time. Okay, well, I'll see you for our next episode where we will be doing bath bombs. Okay, they will be lavender bath bombs. See you then. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe.